Hey, how's it going, everyone? Frank Ochoa here, also known as PivotBoss. I am author of the book Secrets of a Pivot Boss, and I'm here to invite you to join me to a free educational webinar May 9th, Tuesday, May 9th at noon Central Time, 1 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. This webinar you can find at pivotboss.com/profits. And if you scroll right down here from our Swing Trade Pro 2.0 offer here, you can see details below for our free educational webinar. This is going to be a lunchtime webinar here where we're going to look at the rejection day trade sequence and how to make money with it in the market. The rejection day trade sequence is one of our many proprietary blueprints that we offer our Swing Trade Pro 2.0 members, and we have a flash deal happening right now for our members here. For PivotBoss members who want to be a part of Swing Trade Pro 2.0, you pay $497 right now, regularly $697. It's a 100% risk-free offer, 30-day money-back guarantee. And for those of you who are members and will become new members and existing members at no additional cost here, we're going to do our live sessions next week, May 15th to May 19th, 2023. This is a live education and prospecting and trading a live seminar here where we're going to get together each day here. It's going to start Monday with a prospecting session and some educational content as we head into trading Tuesday through Friday. Again, this is going to be free at no additional cost for existing and new members to Swing Trade Pro 2.0. And right now, there's no better time to join. It's available $497 here, regularly $697. That's a 29% discount off of the regular price. Now, if you join me here tomorrow for our free educational webinar, we're going to cover one of the blueprints that is contained in Swing Trade Pro 2.0, the rejection day trade sequence, and this is a blueprint that can be used in multiple time frames and can be used in any market that you trade, so you don't need any special software or signals to find and trade using these opportunities. So we're going to cover these opportunities here in the free educational webinar. To join, simply come to this page here, pivotboss.com/profits. Come down here to this webinar section and click on the link to join here. That'll put you right into the webinar at the time of the meeting. Again, noon Central or Eastern Time, 1 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. That's in about less than 18 hours away until this free webinar. So I'd love to see you there. It may or may not be recorded. Sometimes these things fail, but you'll definitely want to be there to experience this live. So free educational webinar coming up here, up ahead, and I'd like to see you there using this link in the description below. Take care, and I'll see you soon.